square taper at the end. Now draw down a little bit to ease the transition. Now let's start to make a hexagon out of this by working on the corners. I'm going to have to change ends at some point, obviously. Run down the original faces. Oh no, that one needs more there. Run down the original faces. And repeat. The original faces again. Need score, so see what I'm doing. Too bad actually. Excuse me, too hot, it's gone sparkling. That's not far off, you know. That is not far off. Next thing to do is put a 90-degree bend here. To do that, I'm going to have to heat it, quench it back there, Then quench it back here with the beans in of water, leaving me a small amount of heat at the focal point. Reheat. Pretty well 90 degrees, I reckon. Right, now I have to think about the next bit. I think I have to swap ends, put the finial on the end, determine how much I need to take the roll of baling twine, and then do the rest of the bends after that. Now, that's going to cause me trouble, I know it is, because I'm holding it, but that's nothing I can do about that now. Want a nice big fat finial on this end. More heat, nearly fairly big, stop the roll coming off. Nah, he ain't round, is he? Still, that's the best I can do. Bracket inserted through the baling twine. I'm marking where it exits. I'll centre dot it at that point. I'll mark where the centre dot is in on the anvil in relation to the end, so I can find it when I come out the fire. Now the next trick here is to put a 90-degree bend in again, quenching back to the spot, and I think I'll probably end up holding this with tongs now, which is going to be awkward. I've got a lot of heat left in this. Start with the bend, reheat it, so don't struggle to hold it. Oh no, no room. Nearly. About 90 degrees, I reckon. Right, now the next one is to bend it halfway along this length to allow for the width of the roll to clear the back plate. One sheet left in this now. You have to go with a big, no choice here. Reheat it. Ooh, all kinds of problems here. Right, that's it. So I'll twist this. A good old application of BFI, is there? Brute force and ignorance. I think that might just have it. It might just. That needs to go down a bit. That might just do, you know. Right, I'm going to see if I can clean some of it up with a wire brush because it's very scaly. There it is in place on the wall. Difficult to see, I know, but I think it worked. Well, it'll work anyway. Not brilliant, but does the job. That'll do. Something else done. Something else off my workbench as well. Bent this the wrong way. Wonderful. Oh, joy of joys. I can't believe I did that. Right, unbend it and make a mess of it and bend it back the other way. Going a bit ropey now, this whole thing. So I'll quench all that and I'll heat this end to finish the hexagonal, to finish the hexagoning, to finish making it a hexagon.